I've spent years working directly with people using our products. Field techs, fleet managers, frontline supervisors, and the most often that I hear is, make my life easier. That's exactly what these devices will deliver. They're quick to deploy, easy to manage, and rugged enough to survive in the toughest environments. But more than that, they simplify teamwork, and they don't require a lot of hand-holding from IT. Updates are seamless, settings are customizable, it fits into existing workflows without needing to overhaul systems. They're easy to integrate into existing fleets, whether you're replacing aging hardware or standardizing across teams. The V120 supports a wide range of legacy and modern I/Os, so it can plug right into existing docks, mounts, and hardware setups. The F120, while designed for new deployments, offer flexible mounting and connectivity options that will make it easy to roll out at scale using current infrastructure standards. You have options like native serial ports, LAN, USB-C. It also has RF pass-throughs for GPS, wireless WAN, and wireless LAN, which are critical for mobile vehicle deployments in utilities or public safety.